How to enable anonymous posting on Facebook. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can enable anonymous posting on Facebook. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you need to launch Facebook application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your preferred account. After that, tap on your profile icon with the three line at the top right, and now here head over to the group option, tap on it. Now you have to select the group that you would like to or where you would like to allow the anonymous posting. So once you're on your group page, tap on the manage button next to your or just below your group name. After that, once you're on this page, you have to scroll down and under settings, tap on group settings. Once you land on group settings page, you have to scroll down and search for an option that is anonymous participation, which you will find under manage discussion. Tap on it. And here you have to select on. After that, tap on save. And with that, now you have enabled anonymous posting on your group on Facebook. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.